Hello everyone. So today is 7th of May and yay, Mimi dah habis paper. Okay, good job Mimi, you did it. So this is the last day in your academic year, which will be tomorrow. Mama Papa akan datang and ambil Mimi. So this vlog is just going to be, a glimpse of me hujung-hujung dekat academic year, which I will not record it as many as I can, but I will try. Okay? Sebab kita tak mesti akan banyak record sangat sebab it is just nothing. Cuma Mimi akan hari ni I'm going to pack baju and all the barang sebab esok Mak Bapak dah datang. So yeah. So the purpose of this vlog is just to see memories untuk Mimi tengok nanti. Sebab video ni just nothing, maybe Mimi akan just packing, lepas tu record Mak Papa ambil Mimi, and then one last goodbye dekat dia dan mungkin. So yeah, I haven't packed anything guys, and barang ni tak tahu lah banyak ke tak, tapi macam tak banyak, macam banyak juga tak. Macam, let me show you this. So this is tu barang-barang ni, katil, ni bag, towel. I haven't packed ni. Lepas tu dalam locker pun macam adalah banyak, tapi ya, I think sempat je untuk ni kemas today. Sebab esok Bapa datang pagi. So tengok ni kamu sekarang. Bye.
Hi guys, so sekarang ni I'm from Anjung. Anjung dah banyak tutup weh. Lepas tu ini pula belum dini kan. So I bought ayam gunting, last ayam gunting. Lepas tu I ordered KFC from Grab. Hihi. Actually dekat Dengki ni boleh kira tau berapa banyak kali Mimi order Grab. Just tak banyak pun. So yeah, proud of myself. Bye. Bye. Tamatlah sudah. Kisah saya. Bye Dengkil, will not miss you. Bye abang polis. Ching. Yo. Thank you for 10 months.
Good morning. Hari ni first day unemployed. First day jadi alumni tester. So what we do is kita tengah teman mama. Nampak. Kita nak pergi hantar budak mama ada friendly handball dekat Batu Pahat. So wish us luck. Wish us sedikit usapan Cik Farah. Semoga perjalanan selamat sampai, budak main yang baik, and be happy. Amin. Bye now.